Hello, my kids. How are you? Do you like animals? I like them so much. And let's today describe animals and birds. The first is this one. This is a wild animal. Its name is lion. It is big. It is brown. It is angry and fast. It can run and roar. It has got big head, long tail and 4 paws. It lives in Africa. And then is this one. It is a bird. Its name is parrot. It is small and funny. It's blue, white and a little bit gray. It can fly and talk. It has got wings, long tail and 2 paws and big. It lives in Australia. This one is wild animal. This is a wild animal. Its name is panda. It is not so big. It's little, but pandas are very, very big bears. It's black and white. It's kind, fluffy and slow. It can climb. It has good fat body and not so long tail. It lives in China. And now, please, describe me this animal. And maybe you want someone else? See you. Bye-bye.